Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to go over, sorry I just moved the camera because it was disturbing my foot. Today I wanted to go over one of my newer plants that I got in my plant haul video a while back. It's the lipstick plant. Isn't this so cute? It's like all, you know, like that. I got this pot at TJ Maxx and I've been obsessed with it ever since. So this is my lipstick plant's new home. It actually hangs up above, you know, like up there, in like a rope hanger. I've posted it on Instagram and I'll show you like in a second what it looks like in there. Overall, I've gotten to know this plant really well and I feel like I have a handle on how to take care of it. So I wanted to kind of go over it with you guys. And show you my tips and tricks on the lipstick plant. So I have this guy about 3 to 4 feet back from my south facing window and it's hanging up there, which I'll show you in a sec. And it seems to love that just fine. I don't think it can handle direct light. Although I'm sure the closer I move it to the window, the more aggressive it'll grow. As long as it's not getting bright, hot, direct light all day. I think that would kill it, you know, or at least severely injure it. If not fatal, it'll be pretty close. But so far it's been growing really, really well. It's been filling out nicely in my hanging planter up there, just a few feet back from my south facing window. So I would suggest pretty close. It can't be in the back of the room, like in the dark. I don't think it would respond well to that whatsoever. So I wouldn't even try that. Sorry, my battery died. So if the camera angle is different, that's why. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to use cameras. I swear to God. So the soil needs for this guy, I would suggest slightly denser soil. You don't want like completely fast draining because I don't think it likes to dry out like, you know, succulent style. So the leaves are kind of puckering a little bit. So it might be time for a water. But you want it to dry out between waterings. I just like love these like little leaves. I just think the lipstick leaves are just so cute and they kind of like get a little dried up when they're thirsty. I don't know if you can tell. Once it starts to like pucker a little bit, that's when you want to give it a good soak, you know? But it's just really filled out nicely since I got it like a few months ago. I haven't seen it flower yet, but it is like 90 degrees outside, so it totally could. Just like a very cute plant. It's good for hanging because eventually it'll kind of cascade over the side, which is, you know, the plan, Stan. It's like perfect size for this pot. I'm so glad I got this pot because it's just like so cute. I haven't really fertilized this guy yet. Fertilize it in the summer months when it's at its hottest, you know, its peak growing season. But in the winter, since it should technically be winter now, because I'm gonna lay off of the fertilizer and just kind of let it settle in nicely and enjoy the sunshine and water and blah, 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 you know. So this is it in her natural habitat, just hanging from a beam in my house. But look how cute she is. So I hope that video was helpful, guys. The lipstick plant. It's a very cool plant. This is the first one I've ever owned and I really, really love the look. I love the leaves. It's really easy care, so I would definitely suggest it for beginners. Only get it if you have like a really bright window to offer it because I don't think it's a low light type of plant. That's not the type of girl she is, okay? Please like, subscribe if you haven't, comment. I love the comments and interactions, you know, like that's what life is about. It's about social interactions, sort of, even though they're hard for me. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!